Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change your email address on Gmail. Let's get started. So here I'm inside my Gmail. I'll begin by clicking on my profile photo, then selecting Manage your Google account. Under the Home section, if I scroll down, you'll notice there's no option to change the email address. Let's go to the Personal Info section. Here, under Basic Info, you can change things like your profile photo, your account name, birthday, and gender. Now under Contact Info, you'll see your email address listed. Tap on it. From here, you can add a recovery email, a contact email, alternate emails, and your About Me email. However, when it comes to the Google account email, which is the one used to identify your Google account, you'll notice there's no option to change it. Google doesn't allow you to change the primary Gmail address once it's created. So what can you do instead? You'll need to create a new Gmail account with the email address you want, and then forward emails from your old account to the new one. Here's how. First, open Gmail, click on Add Another Account, and then choose Create Account. Select whether it's for personal use or business. Follow the process. And once you have created your new Gmail account, it's time to enable forwarding from your old account. Open your old Gmail, go to Settings, and then click on See All Settings. Now, navigate to the Forwarding and POP/IMAP tab. Under Forwarding, click Add a Forwarding Address and enter your new Gmail address. Then, add a forwarding address and enter your new Gmail address. Choose what happens to the original copy. You can choose to keep Gmail's copy in the inbox, mark it as read, or archive it. In this case, I'll keep a copy in the inbox. Finally, scroll down and click Save Changes. That's it. From now on, any email sent to your old Gmail address will be automatically forwarded to your new one. And that's how you change your Gmail address, by setting up a new account and forwarding your emails to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.